In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to completely reset Microsoft Edge to fix all errors and problems you might be experiencing. Whether you're dealing with sluggish performance, unexpected errors, or issues with your browser settings, resetting Microsoft Edge could be the solution you're looking for. So, let's dive right into the steps. First, you'll want to go ahead and open up Microsoft Edge on your computer. Once you've got it up and running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the window. There, you'll notice a three-dot menu. This is your gateway to Edge's settings and configurations. Click on that menu to reveal a drop-down list of options. From here, you'll want to select Settings to proceed. Now that you're in the Settings menu, take a look at the sidebar on the left. You'll find several different sections here, but the one we're interested in today is called Reset Settings. Click on it, and you'll be presented with options specifically designed to help bring your browser back to its default state. What you'll want to do next is select Restore Settings to their default values. This option is pretty straightforward. Its role is to remove custom configurations and reset the browser to its original settings. When you select this, a pop-up will appear, asking you to confirm your decision. Go ahead and click Reset to confirm your choice and kickstart the process. Here's what this reset will accomplish for you. Microsoft Edge will reset your startup page, new tab page, search engine, and any pinned tabs you might have set. Additionally, it will disable your extensions, which could be the root cause of many common browser issues. It will also clear out temporary data like cookies. All these changes aim to streamline the performance and function of your browser. However, there's some good news for those who worry they might lose personal data. Resetting your Edge won't delete your bookmarks, saved passwords, or browsing history. These remain untouched, allowing you to retain the necessary information while troubleshooting those persisting issues. So that's all you need to do to reset Microsoft Edge. This straightforward process is a fantastic first step when trying to resolve browser-related problems without losing essential data. After completing these steps, take a moment to restart the browser and see if your issues have been resolved. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this guide helps your browsing experience run more smoothly.